Check out the new toy. It's working great. Alright, that makes me happy. So what we're doing is we're going to be putting a bunch of cover crop. Nothing's been grown on here except grass. So we're actually going to put a bunch of crimson clover here and just start building soil, get the nitrogen fixed, and then we'll probably start adding amendments. But first we'll start off with this nitrogen fixing crimson clover. And the crimson clover also attracts pollinator insects, bees and butterflies and all sorts of things too. So anyway, very groovy. Love it when something actually works. So anyway, this whole field, we're just gonna rototill this. And we're about to get 10 days of rain here. And so anyway, our cannabis is just right over the hill there. So yeah, and here's the old camp dining hall. It's got a commercial kitchen and everything, but anyway, so we're finally getting around to building soil. And this is going to be like veggie garden and all kinds of other veggie garden and all kinds of other plants and such. So everybody's walking behind the thing and fighting it and battling walk behind. We already had the tractor, so yay. Makes me happy. We're farming. Woo.